In Psalms 105 verse 1, ang sabi po doon, "O give thanks to the Lord, call upon His name, make known His deeds among the people." Ito po isang awit ng paggugunita ng ginawa ng Diyos sa bayan ng Israel. Simula nung nakipag-covenant si Lord kay Abraham, kay Isaac, kay Jacob, hanggang sila ay lumaki bilang isang bayan, napunta sa Egypt during the famine, niligtas ni Joseph, naging governor ng Egypt at that time, and they became slaves and then were led out by Moses to the promised land, to Canaan, at sila ngayon ay naging bayan ng Israel. So ito ay isang paggugunita ng mga ginawa ng Diyos sa kanilang buhay. Now, my question is, meron bang ginawa ang Diyos sa buhay mo na kailangan mong balik-balikan? Alam niyo po, mahalaga na binabalik tanaw natin, ginugunita natin yung mga ginawa ng Diyos sa buhay natin. For what reason? Number one, it gives us encouragement. Number two, it gives us hope. And most of all, number three, we know that there is God. Because God is faithful to you simula noon hanggang ngayon. And what God did before to you, He can do it again today. And so, this is something that we need to remind ourselves. Kailangan nating paalalahanin ang sarili natin. That God is always faithful. He is faithful until the end. Kailangan lang niya sa atin our faithfulness. So how do we have that faithfulness? Remembering what God had done in the past. For us, He will do it again today. He will do it again tomorrow. So, as an encouragement, what are the things that God has done to you? List down all the things. And then, always remember them. Magpaliktanaw. And see how faithful God is. During the time when you are in trouble, you were experiencing hardships, problems, heartaches. And now that He has redeemed you from all the pain, from all the hardships, and from all the heartaches. It is a good thing for us to remind ourselves that God is faithful, that He will be faithful forever. The word of the Lord for you today. God bless you.